Welcome to SoSoValue Crypto Daily, your essential investment research on cryptocurrency markets.
It's been another roller coaster day in crypto, Liam. The total market cap rebounded to $3.84 trillion. Bitcoin ticked up 0.6% to around $115,000, and Ethereum bounced a solid 5.5% to climb above $3,700.
That's a strong move for ETH, and the sector breakdown is interesting except for SoSoFi, which slipped 3.5%. Every other sector saw gains. The Layer 2 sector led the pack, rebounding about 6.5%, with Mantle alone surging over 17%.
Let's dig into our top story, and this one's a game changer. The CFTC, the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, is launching a new initiative that opens the door for spot crypto asset contracts to be traded directly on CFTC-registered futures exchanges. Designated contract markets, or DCMs, can now handle these spot contracts.
That's right, Chloe. Acting Chair Caroline D. Pham made the announcement for what she's calling the Crypto Sprint, a first step in implementing recommendations from the President's Working Group on Financial Markets. The goal is to clarify exactly how leveraged, margined, or financed retail crypto asset trading can take place on these DCMs, all within the current legal framework.
The CFTC's move isn't just regulatory housekeeping. It's setting the stage for a more mature and transparent U.S. crypto market. Pham emphasized collaboration and even said she wants the U.S. to become the, quote, crypto capital of the world. If this program works, it could redefine how digital assets are traded in America.
Ever since the White House dropped that crypto report, it feels like both the SEC and CFTC engines have been kicked into high gear. Say what you will, but we in crypto are definitely feeling the tailwind.
Moving on, Binance is expanding access to its options market. They've now opened the, quote, seller function for Bitcoin options to all users, not just a handful of professionals.
That's big. Now anyone on Binance can earn premiums by selling call or put options. But remember, as a seller, you're taking on the risk of the underlying asset's price swings. Still, for advanced users, it's a way to diversify yield strategies and manage risk more flexibly.
Exactly. Binance says this move should boost liquidity and offer more trading tools for everyone. The new feature went live on August 4th.
In leadership news, Barry Silbert has officially returned as chairman of Grayscale's board. He stepped down in 2023 during the Genesis bankruptcy turmoil, but now with DCG having reached a final agreement with Genesis creditors, Silbert is back at the helm.
The market's taking this as a bullish signal. Grayscale is one of the largest crypto asset managers, and Silbert's return suggests that DCG's governance structure is stabilizing. That's key for restoring confidence after a rocky period.
For the broader market, it means one of crypto's institutional pillars is regaining its footing. That could have ripple effects on sentiment and maybe even on capital inflows.
Last up, Figure, the fintech firm focused on blockchain lending, has secretly filed for an IPO with the SEC.
Figure's Providence blockchain is designed to streamline the loan process and cut costs. The filing signals Wall Street is taking blockchain's use in traditional finance more seriously. In the middle of ongoing crypto volatility, Figure's move to go public via the traditional IPO route could inspire other blockchain companies to follow suit.
That's all for today's highlights. Cut through the chaos. Focus on what drives the crypto market.
Stay on top of crypto research, all in one place at sosovalue.com. And don't forget to follow our Twitters at SoSoValue Crypto.